Good evening, viewers. Welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a glimpse of the news through the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to participate in Parakram Diwas celebrations at Red Fort to launch 9-day Bharat Parv showcasing country's rich diversity. Large number of devotees thronged Ram Temple in Ayodhya on the first day of its opening to public. The Regional Democratic Alliance comprising of the UDP and the HSPDP kickstarts its campaign for Lok Sabha elections in Meghalaya. Meghalaya government to add more products to the list of one district, one product. Viksit Bharat and Gaon Chalo Abhiyan programs emphasizes on progress and community engagement in Garo Hills region. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will participate in Parakram Diwas celebrations at Red Fort in New Delhi this evening. In line with his vision to duly honor the contribution of luminaries who played a significant role in the freedom struggle, the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is celebrated as Parakram Diwas since 2021. The Prime Minister will also launch Bharat Parv on the occasion. Meanwhile, in Meghalaya, the Greater Shillong Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Birthday Celebration Committee today celebrated 127th birth anniversary of Netaji at State Central Library premises. The national flag was hoisted and floral tributes were paid during the occasion. The newly built Temple of Lord Ram in Ayodhya has opened to the public for darshan from today, a day after the much-awaited Pran Pratishtha ceremony of Ram Lala. A large number of devotees have gathered outside the temple for darshan. For the past many days, the whole of Ayodhya is resonating with an unparalleled wave of devotional fervour with the presence of thousands of sadhus, saints and devotees from across the world. Hindu devotees in Meghalaya celebrated the consecration of the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya on Monday with lights, crackers, sweets and greetings in an atmosphere resembling Diwali. Devotees flocked to the state's temples in large numbers to offer prayers on this auspicious occasion, making them busy places to be. In the majority of the temples, one could frequently witness hymn chanting, devotional song singing and puja ceremonies. The celebrations continued in the evening as lights and crackers added more color to the festive spirit. In southwest Garo Hills, the event, organized by the BJP Mandal Committee of Southwest Garo Hills, witnessed a live screening that brought the sacred ceremony to a broader audience. The Regional Democratic Alliance (RDA), comprising the UDP and HSPDP, on Tuesday formally kicked off its election campaign for its common candidate for the Shillong parliamentary seat, Robert June Kharjarin, during a meeting held at the party office of the UDP. On the occasion, the common candidate was also formally introduced to the MLAs, MDCs and leaders of both the regional parties. Kharjarin, who is the former president of the HYC, said that the demand for implementation of ILP, inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule, harassment of the Khasi population residing in Bangladesh and the long-pending interstate boundary dispute with Assam are some of the core issues which he will highlight during this campaign. Agriculture Minister Ampreen Lyngdoh on Tuesday informed that the future plans of the state government are to include more products to the list of One District, One Product (ODOP) of the state. While speaking during the ODOP media event held at the banquet hall of the Pinewood Hotel, Lyngdoh said that the state is considering sending a proposal to DPIIT ODOP team to include other secondary products such as rindia, that is Eri Silk, for Ribhoi District, Black Pottery, Kiranay, for West Janti Hills District, and Bamboo or Cane Handicrafts for East Khasi Hills District. She further said that the state is working for the successful implementation of ODOP and working towards building a more inclusive, resilient and prosperous state.
We are a new set of institutes, all focused on training farmers to become successful. Now in the state of Meghalaya, we have multiple producers being produced randomly across the state. One farmer will have multiple cropping. We're not saying that multiple cropping is not a good practice. We say that it's also good for the soil, it's good for the livelihood of the farmers. But we would like now to organize our districts to focus on at least one main product.
The Ranikor Area Farmers Association, RAFA, together with the farmers from Ranikor area, Southwest Khasi Hills District, has decided to shoot and kill the wild elephants in the area which frequently destroyed plantations, huts and houses in the area. This decision of the Farmers Association stands on shaky grounds as the elephant falls under the list of protected species under the Wildlife Protection Act. The government is yet to release any statement on this matter. The decision was taken in a public meeting held at Nongnak village, 30 kilometers from Maukerwat in Southwest Khasi Hills District on Saturday evening. The meeting was attended by farmers from different villages under Nongnak area, Nongyo Ijngai, Dirang, Maulangba and 18 Mile village. Newly appointed teachers of 2024 gathered for their inaugural meeting at Ampati. The meeting served as a platform for the recently appointed teachers to familiarize themselves with the educational landscape of Southwest Khasi Hills District. Empul C.H. Marak, Sub-Divisional School Education Officer, Ampati, Southwest Garo Hills, addressed the meeting, emphasizing the importance of quality education and the pivotal role teachers play in shaping young minds. In Garo Hills, the Bikongre Dadengre block witnessed a momentous event as the Vikasit Bharat and Gaon Chalo Abhiyan programs unfolded. The event, graced by the district BJP executive committee members of Southwest Garo Hills and West Garo Hills, witnessed dedicated Karyakartas actively participating. The collaborative efforts showcased a commitment to progress and community engagement. The Northeast Congress Coordination Committee (NECCC) convened a crucial meeting at Queen's Hotel, Jorabad today, where representatives from various northeastern states gathered to discuss and strategize for the upcoming political challenges. Shillong MP and MPCC President Vincent H. Pala expressed the committee's strong desire to prioritize the concerns of farmers. He stated that multiple suggestions were put forth during the session and MPCC is keen on including farmer welfare as a significant issue in the party's manifesto.
Wan bantul siauto paipa ba balai wan connect ba kibru benda kendo ba kibru singap jing jong kibru Nilai saja sebagai jong ke state na notice kay kibanta ban include hapo ka manifesto ta kinong rep ni de ban pendrung ka manifesto nila karpat ya ki tim manifesto through Rahul Gandhi ban wan sini ban discuss hakanu kortom nila ban pensia dan pendrung hapo ka manifesto jong ka Indian National Congress kata ka main bat kiwai kibanta badai bat ka Manipur nila discuss tentang ka badai bat Manipur but ngatrai in sapa ika tim sa Manipur ng ba Northeast Congress Committee.
The 39th Foundation Day of the National Institute of Fashion Technology NIFT was celebrated at the NIFT Shillong campus at Umsauli, Maupat. NIDT Director Shankar Kumar Jha in his address highlighted the progress of NIFT over the years since its humble beginning in the year 1986. He congratulated the NIFT Shillong faculty and students for the grand success of the program. And now the weather report. Maximum temperature was recorded at 15.5 degrees Celsius while minimum temperature was at 5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 52%, which has risen to 62% in the evening. Forecast: dry weather and shallow to moderate fog is likely to occur at isolated places. Before we end the news bulletin, let's have a quick look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to participate in Parakram Diwas celebrations at Red Fort to launch 9-day Bharat Parv, showcasing country's rich diversity. Large number of devotees throngs the Ram temple in Ayodhya on the first day of its opening for public. The Regional Democratic Alliance, comprising of the UDP and the HSPDP, kickstarts its campaign for Lok Sabha elections in Meghalaya. Meghalaya government to add more products to the list of one district, one product. Vikasit Bharat and Gaon Chalo Abhiyan programs emphasizes on progress and community engagement in Garo Hills region. That's all we have for you today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice evening ahead.